चलिए चलिए एंटर करिए आप. लेट्स गो. Thank you. Done. Sweta ji, yours?
It's called.
I.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
So, do you want me to explain about the process?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So here all games are card-based system and one card can be shared among multiple people, but recharge options are available only in multiples of thousands. And there's no specific games in the card. You just need to load the amount in one card. Up to your selected recharge amount, you can choose any game. We do have the main games plus the arcade games.
Okay. Go kart.
Apart from go-kart, mostly laser tag, laser tag, bowling, and race simulator.
Okay.
Mostly all are fun, but mostly people want to go for laser tag, bowling, and race simulator. Go-karting and laser tag.
Yeah. How much time it will take?
So right now all the slots are available. After you're done with the recharge, all those who are going for the games, each of you need to fill the disclaimer form in that kiosk individually. At the last counter, show your own ID, get the wristband, and you can directly head to the activities of your choice.
So on an average time, how much it will take?
Sorry?
On an average, like guesstimation time, how much time it will take to complete all?
Yeah. Which games you're planning to go for? For
First
karting,
karting.
it's 8 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then laser tag?
Laser
12.
tag, it's 12 minutes.
I guess 20 minutes is over, right? Good enough.
So karting and laser tag for 3 of you, right?
3, yeah.
So for these 2 games, for 3 of you, that will be 5,250, sir.
Okay.
But since recharge options are available only in multiples of 1,000, you need to do the recharge for 6,000 plus tax.
Okay.
Yeah, including the tax, you need to pay 7,100. In the card, you'll get 6,000 balance. You have the recharge offer, which is from 9,000. If you do the recharge for 9,000 plus tax, you'll be getting 900 extra balance.
Okay, cool. We'll go for like one time and we'll do that like after today they will be leaving hometown.
Okay.
So just we'll be needing a card for one time only.
So, so you want to go for these 2 games, right?
Yeah, these 2 games.
So you need to do the recharge for 6,000 plus tax.
Okay,
It
cool.
will be 7,100. In the card, you'll get 6,000 balance. And 5,250 is for the games that you have selected. You'll still have 750 in the card.
Okay.
We do have the arcade games. You can use it in the arcade games.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
If you don't mind me asking what your age?
10.
10? So you both will be going in the same batch. Everything is the same, just the batch will be different.
Okay.
All those who are below 13 years, we send them in kids batch.
Sure.
Yeah. So he'll be going in the kids batch, you both will be going in the adult batch.
Go together, I guess we can record in like how they are. We can mount the GoPro right now.
For that, you need to check in the go-karting counter, sir. Mostly here, we don't allow all those who are below 13 in adult batch. We only send them in kids batch.
Okay. We'll ask them if they are allowing.
Or first, do you want to check with them first in the
Okay.
go-karting counter? You can check and you can come back.
Sure, just I ask them. Shweta ji, come here. Hi. Actually, they want to like. I don't want to send him in a kids batch.
Kids
and want to
batch.
comes together all 3.
So it can't be happen sir. Because of the kid safety, we need to send them in the kids batch only.
Okay.
We can't send them in the adults batch.
Okay. Is there any recording section? Is there like whether he can record? Like we can mount the
You
GoPro.
can take any GoPro sir.
Okay.
Any GoPro is fine. We can use it there.
Okay. Fine. Okay then.
Our
Fine.
team members will help you to hold the camera over there.
Sure then. Fine. Thank
You
you.
need to collect the wristband sir. Please do the individually disclaimer and come here.
Okay. We need to fill there first. Okay. Sure. Okay. We'll ask. We need to create a profile first, right?
No, for checking the badge, you can just directly go in that go-karting counter,
Okay.
check with them. After that, please come back and to do the return.
Okay, they said first to create a.
First, you can just check it, sir.
Check it in the sense.
In that go-karting.
This is card. It has a recharge of 6,000, and based on this, we'll be spending it. Now fill the disclaimer form. Fill. Create your profile. Read what they are saying.
Create your profile internet registration.
What is asking?
अपने एक प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करना है और उसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन ईमेल करना
हाँ तो what is saying?
है यहाँ पर एंटर करना है आया कि नहीं
Thank you. Which game you are going to play? I don't know.
Sorry, see. कार्ड ले लीजिए.
क्या क्या क्लिक करना है लोग लेजर टैग और
और गो कार्ड.
कार्ड को रखिए कीप इट आप ये हुआ है तो कार्ड
हाँ